Students, today we discuss a new point, resolution, and this resolution point is from the chapter Heat, specially designed for class 9 and 10. Directly, instead of directly starting the point, we have the activity. It may be in the NCERT, it may be the state board. Through activity, they are trying to touch up that point. And here also one activity is there. In that activity, some of the instruments are in front of you. A stand is there. On that stand, the eyes will be situated in front on this stand, and with the help of the metallic wire, the eyes, the weights are there. With the help of this weight and the metallic wire, this metallic wire is passed over the eyes exactly in the middle. Now, as a student, if you just imagine what happened here, these are the two weights, they are equally passed over the ice cubes exactly in the middle. Now, because of the applied pressure, what happened here? Now, what we think generally, here the ice breaks into the two equal holes. The ice breaks into the two equal holes, but this is not the case basically for the ice. What happened here? Exactly on this area on which this wire get passed over the ice cube. Now, because of these weights, pressure has been created. What happened here? The pressure has been created, and once the pressure is created over the area, so on that area where this metallic wire get passed, here the melting point of the ice, it start to get reduced. Melting point of that ice area start get reduced. Normally ice has the temperature 0 degrees Celsius. Now it is less than 0 degrees Celsius. Because of this pressure, the melting point get less than 0 degrees Celsius. So what happened here? Now this ice, because of the applied pressure, that area now gets converts into the liquid. It gets converts into the liquid, and that's why this wire start to penetrate inside the ice. Now it move inside the ice. Once it penetrated inside the ice, means on that region, before applying the pressure, on that region where the wire is there, if once it penetrated inside, what happened here? The pressure it get released when it penetrated inside. So once the pressure is released, the temperature again restored to 0 degree Celsius. When once pressure is reduced, now the wire start penetrating inside and inside. After some time, it get passed from the another side of the cube. At the same time, that area from where the pressure get released, that is restored, that area get restored to 0 degrees Celsius, and that liquid at 0 degrees Celsius again convert into the ice. Observe, first of all ice, because of pressure get converts into the liquid. After releasing the pressure, again converts into the ice. So pehla wala form ice, right now also ice. So after penetrating continuously, the released area restored to 0 degrees Celsius again converts into the ice, and lastly, finally, after some time, this metallic wire is released from another side, and the ice is having, instead of having the two equal holes or the two pieces, it is again a single ice cube. And this experiment proved the concept of resolution. Example, अगर इतना hard experiment नहीं है, you can take just two small ice cubes from the freezer if you have the freeze and try to pressurize it. उन दोनों को टच करो, उन दोनों को प्रेशर से एक दूसरे को टच करो, क्या होगा? After some time they get merged into it. वो एक हो जाएंगे. That is what it is about the resolution. Number of examples are there in our day-to-day life. For example, the ice, like ice ball, ice गोला जो हम खाते हैं, ice ball which is shredded by that person. After what, it gets breaks into the small pieces. That person again take that ice stick, at the tip of the stick again he pressurize it, again he make the one ball, he insert some kind of juice on it, and it will give to you. What is that? That is also the example of resolution. So this overall activity prove that once the phenomena in which the ice get converts into the liquid, and once pressure is removed, it again restored into its original state, that is called ice, and this phenomena is called as the resolution. It is what? It is what the concept of resolution. So what is the definition? If you observe, there is a text in front of you. What is the definition? The phenomenon in which ice converts to liquid. Ice converts into liquid due to applied pressure, comma. Once pressure is removed, again reconvert into ice, and this phenomena is called resolution. Understood? This phenomena is called as the resolution. So using a simple activity, you can prove the concept of resolution. So this is the today's topic. If you like this topic, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and please hit the bell icon for the new notification. Thank you.